Hello, we are here to talk to you about the sixth grade science curriculum. I am Mrs. Wheeler.
And I'm Mr. Dyer.
And we are your tour guides for the sixth grade science curriculum. Science curriculum, we have the project-based inquiry science, which is also known as PBIS. We do an introductory unit diving into science. You might have heard your students come home and talk about the book support challenge or the cookie challenge or the whirligig challenge, and this is basically a unit to help us understand how to work together as scientists. Then we go into our matter and atoms in October, and then finish up the quarter one as well as lead into quarter two with the energy unit. That is the biggest and probably the most difficult unit they will see this year. Going into January, we go into astronomy, and then ever-changing earth geology, which is your earthquakes, rocks, soil, content. And then we've finished up with the ecology unit in fourth quarter. What PBS looks like, each unit has big challenges or big questions, and then we break them down into smaller parts to answer those questions. So the big question or the big challenge is like the umbrella, and we work our way to figure out the final answer. We do lots of group work to do our lab investigations, experiments, and designs, a lot of hands-on activities. That's the way we learn, is by discovery. We do lots of sharing of data, results, explanations. And we also do lots of written responses where they actually have to justify their answer using evidence that they found in class or using science knowledge that we've read about. There is very little homework in PBIS.
Okay, the PBIS books can be found online for free as long as you are using the username Bailey Student and the password Bailey. If your internet is down and your student needs a book, just have them see their science teacher to check one out temporarily. Students who are absent, make sure you at least read through the investigations and learning sets that your class has been studying. And when you return, you get with a group to fill in any gaps you might have. We do have random notebook checks. They're scavenger hunt style. So make sure your notebooks are intact and in order. Please be sure to check PowerSchool on a weekly basis with your student. And if your student is having any trouble, make sure they see their teacher to schedule a working lunch session. I want to thank you for your time, and it's going to be a great year.